I don't know where to start this story, so I'll start it here. After a few years of being overseas in Thailand and newly relocated to Seattle, I invited the guys up for a little reunion. I thought it'd be nice to get back together considering we used to hang out almost every day back in the day. But my true goal was to start a new tradition of taking a yearly trip together. And out of the 5 of us, 3 out of the 5 got together, and that's pretty good considering this was our first attempt. Stevo and I made plans to head up to Cape Flattery, while Josh and Erica wanted to explore the Bellevue area of Washington, so we decided to split up and reconnect in a day or two. Stevo and I planned to make a giant loop, first by heading south through Tacoma, then west towards Aberdeen, and then north towards Forks to our Airbnb, hopefully being able to spend some time in the rainforest, then up to Cape Flattery, back across the northern border of Washington, and then down into Seattle. Stevo eating pie at what, 9 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah. Really good. I'm impressed.
Good stuff. Heading to Target to pick up some supplies. So where are we headed first, Stevo? To
Lake Cuyamaca or something like that?
Cuyamaca?
No, I'm just kidding. Why not? Hey, it turned off, I think.
Stop it. Please don't tell me it's dead. We're gonna get the weirdest film when I film with you.
Oh shit, it was filming the whole time.
Yeah, we're filming that entire... Alright, let's go. So we grabbed a couple things and started our adventure. You got Salomon 5.
Let me see.
So you take the 101?
Yeah, basically.
It hits the 101?
If I can figure this out, we got it. We're on this road for like 66 miles, that's what it says.
This one?
Yeah.
No, we're not. Really?
That's what it says. Stay on the 5 south. Forever.
Zoom out and see what the big picture looks like.
That's how it looks.
Alright. As long as we're gonna get to where we need to go.
Oh, REI, look at that REI. Ooh, that's a little fancy. Fuck yeah. Wow.
Look at that Federal Way, down the side freeway, just chilling, slow lane, got the tunes.
Got the tune, we bought a Bluetooth for this trip.
I bought a fucking GoPro for this trip. Swerving. Alright, take the camera back.
So where are we right now? Alright, let's see. Oh shit, bridge. The fucking bridge. We are kind of near Olympia, like we're in Lacey. It doesn't even register. Oh yeah, it's not red though, it's yellow, so it can't be that bad. Can't be, but it looks kind of bad.
It's waving to you. Did you do a selfie?
I think so.
Oh,
It's like a selfie video. Oh, bummer.
Monday Road.
minutes later.
Five-O's rolling hard. Five-O's rolling hard. While we're making beats. So we're in Montesano, Washington. Little tiny, really tiny town. We pretty much drove through it. We're gonna walk around the whole town, I think.
Like in 3 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna be across it. I don't even think I'll stop filming. Is that called the beer cave? Do you see that, or am I just tripping? There's a beer cave there.
Whoa, cool. Let's go to the beer cave.
We might have to go to the beer cave. I don't know though.
What?
I mean, well, let's get food first and then decide if we're gonna go to the beer cave. But it's called the beer cave.
Yeah, we're supposed to go to this honeycomb room, right?
Yeah.
Beehive restaurant?
Beehive restaurant.
I think it's closed down.
That's a bummer.
Yeah, the population here is 3,000 people. No, it's 4,000 actually.
See, why not come and live in a little city like this? Let's fast forward through the parking lot. Yeah, that's all right. There's a Subway. I don't want to eat at a Subway though.
Subway, gross, dude. It's like
King's Kicks Shoe Apparel. Well, we have to find somewhere to eat. There's El Rancho's family Mexican food. They're open. We just had Mexican food yesterday. Are you sure they're not open?
no, they're like choking out the
There's one bank, there's a Subway, there's teriyaki. What's this place? No, that place isn't open. There's Organic Produce 101. Total Image Hair Design. Charlie's Karaoke. Oh, Charlie's looks like an intense place. So I think that's it. That's the whole town.
Wow. So they have one restaurant. Cool. And it's closed down. Awesome. Fuck yeah. Hey, they have karaoke though.
I know.
Charlie's.
At Charlie's. So what's our game plan?
We can buy a car real quick.
Yeah, we could buy a car. We could go to the Thriftway and see if they have any food in their deli. You like a sandwich?
I'm having a quality Washington Montesano sandwich from Thriftway, Washington's food store.
Some sandwiches, some teas, some potato wedges, and that's pretty much going to be our lunch for today until we head it back on the road. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's not looking too good up there. Can you, alright, turn her off this time. Push the top button to power her off, then turn her off.
So we are near Lake Wainuki. I think that's how you say it. Wainuki. I like it. I don't see it, but I like it. It must be over there somewhere. Like right over there.
Alright, save some for the hike. We are going to run out of battery. What's the battery at?
Can we charge it when we get to the fucking...
No? We're not going to the hotel further than first. I needed this vacation so bad.
I haven't seen anything like this in a while. Like I haven't seen any green for a while. Vegas rolling in. I don't know if I'm getting it.
I feel like I'm gonna drift it through a little bit.
But we are where? Lake Quinault. Lake Quinault. I don't think you can't see the lake from here. Or maybe that's the river. I think we passed up the lake now.
Look at over there.
Oh shit! Look at that.
You want to try to turn out here? No, I don't want to park there.
Pretty cool. Yeah, I say we take like some hidden path somewhere. And then get mauled by a bear.
That's not what we want. Let's not get mauled by a bear.
Fucking wrestle a bear. Take it off on my bucket list.
Which is exactly what we at John West want.
This road was terribly bumpy, and the hatchback was terribly low. That combination was no good. My poor little car wasn't very happy with me. It took us 2.5 hours to go 2 miles.
Where are we?
Where
are we?
Wow, they're hiking way up there. They got up there.
2 seconds later.
We're too far up.
Yeah, I know.
That little monkey man. As fucking fast as can be. Traversing the path. The one that I am not doing so hot on. But it's pretty amazing. I'm doing some pretty cool shit. You want to see if you can film down that way? You can do this too. Okay. There you go.
Is it on?
Yep, it's running.
It's like a little cliff right there. I don't know if this shit is slippery or
I don't know if that's the best idea though.
It's not slippery though. Whoa! No, I'm just kidding. Low battery.
Even though there's no video evidence of it, Stevo and I made it to Lake Quinault, hung out with the locals in Forks for way too long, and tried to find our Airbnb in the pitch black. Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next adventure. That's cool.